everybody. A project is underway on this lovely Monday afternoon. Nana's here with me. Nookie and Biddy are both back there, and we are about to get the supplies we need for our Chex Mix. We do this every year, but this is the first year we're doing a Thanksgiving edition. Normally we do it right before Christmas, and today we're doing a Thanksgiving version that will be pumpkin spice, and we're going to make it tomorrow.
And it's all your idea.
Well, yeah, and I think it's going to pay off big time. This is going to be awesome.
We need our cereals. We need nuts. And
Nana found her favorite aisle. She wants that yard-long Snickers.
And the football.
And the football. Oh, look at that Kit Kat. Giant candy.
Gigantic.
For your movie night.
That's cute.
All packed up.
That's cute. Oh, look at these cute little cocktail mixers.
Oh.
Get that for Dad. Look, it's sloppy.
What do you think? Is it a good fit? So far we have three different kinds of nuts. We have the cashews, we have the mixed nuts, and the honey roasted peanuts, which seem to all work pretty well.
Mixed nuts premium with pistachios.
Right.
For all y'all who need a last minute dessert for Thanksgiving, this Patti LaBelle banana pudding. Look at the layers of what's going on in there. It's so good. There's like a crust. It is the most delicious thing ever. We're getting ready to make our Chex Mix now. So first step is turning on the oven. We'll probably miss a few specifics here and there, so we will copy down your whole recipe and put it in the description below.
We'll start heating the oil.
On the stove?
Yeah. Prior to that, though, I think we'll fill 2 paper bags with the cereal and the nuts.
Okay.
And then that will be all ready to be poured on top of that.
So you want a couple brown paper bags. You want to make sure they don't have holes.
Yes.
That's what Nana just
Preferably.
inspected. These are from Aldi.
Yes.
Aldi ones really make the finest Chex Mix, wouldn't you say, Mom?
You can count on them.
We've got a couple of assistants.
Rice Chex in each one of these 2 sacks.
Okay, a Rice Chex in each bag.
A honeycomb in. You can give her a hug.
All right. The following cereals are half and half.
We're down to
And
the
pretzels. Party foul. We're gonna dump this in this bag. Oh, no middle. All right, box number 2 of the Rice Chex. We went with name brand and we went with family size.
Because that's all they had.
Fun to open. Let her rip, Nook.
Dump it in there. Every bit.
All right, honeycombs. Now this is gonna be half and half. Half in one bag, half in the
It's
other.
kind of not terribly hard to chew, and it holds together very nicely.
Okay, Nookie, I want you to tell me when you think we've gotten about half. You think that's about half?
That looks about right.
All right. What do you think of them? Are they good? Next up is corn Chex. We don't do wheat Chex in our Chex Mix.
We want to kind of combine these.
You don't do your Chex in layers?
No.
It's all homogeneous. It's scattered through.
This is our corn Chex.
kids, out
We
there.
don't put in
Okay.
wheat Chex because they're too hard.
Okay.
No offense if you
And we're
want.
all real proud of Emily because she's been able to open these plastic bags
Without
just
using
with
scissors.
her hands
That's
without
right.
any scissors or any explosives of any kind.
We wanted to make this a special edition Chex Mix this year. We wanted to do pumpkin spice. So we're incorporating Cinnamon Toast Crunch,
Wait a minute.
which is right here, and then a limited edition pumpkin spice life cereal. We will split each of these boxes between our bags.
This is gonna taste really yummy once we get the principles.
All right.
They're great.
Oh, you'll love
Oh,
that.
they're the sweetest.
That's going to add a lot.
Pretty yummy, huh?
Crunchy too.
Like very
Pumpkin
gently, by
spice
the way.
life cereal. See, I think these are going to be hardy enough to withstand
they'll be as good as
the
they can.
shaking, the baking.
Check and bake.
Everybody only half bag.
Okay.
Half, half.
What do we do with the pretzels? Half and half?
Half and half.
Half and half. There are nuts. Is it half of all these? 1 can of Planters Deluxe. Deluxe will give you pistachios. We touted that last year's mix had pistachios, and so we didn't want to backtrack.
Downgrade.
This would be a 16-ouncer of your Planters honey roasted peanuts.
Ooh.
A 16-ounce, that's 1 full pound of whole cashews
Oh my
in
God.
this mix.
How many thousands of dollars are you guys going to have in this?
The nuts are the most expensive. The rest of it was like $2.50 at the most per box. You're actually making 6 bags. We're talking gallon-filled bags when you're done. So,
Okay. Then there go the nuts.
Aren't we gonna eat the Chex Mix?
Well, the Chex Mix is gonna bake.
Okay, I'm putting in 2 cups of canola oil.
Okay, yeah, Dad can focus on that because I have already addressed the nut situation.
Yeah, right. 10 teaspoons of this.
Worcestershire,
Gotta eat the Chex Mix.
it's gotta bake. Then we put it out on the pan. That's when it's
And I'm gonna need some sugar.
yeah. Heated the canola oil and the Worcestershire sauce on the stove, right, Mom? Anything else in that mixture?
Sugar, garlic.
Okay. And that gets distributed between the bags. The tricky thing is that the flavors and stuff kind of settles. So that's why Mom's being careful to not just like dump half and half, but
Right.
actually spoon it in. What we've done here is Mom has added that oil mixture until it was all used up. And as she would put several spoonfuls into the bags, I would pick it up and toss it and not like shake the heck out of it to where you're getting a lot of broken cereal. I was gonna give it a little toss and a turn, like that, and then turn it a quarter turn, and then do it again, and so on. So that way it gets coated before she adds more the next time.
The next thing we'll do is fold these up, put them on each of them on a large pizza pan, close them up with a clothespin of all things, and put them in the oven.
For how long?
They'll be in there for an hour total, 15 minutes. They will be turned
Every 15 minutes.
so that they.
When do we add our sugar and pumpkin pie spice seasoning?
I would say
When they hit the pans?
about as soon as we hit the pan.
Okay, I'm feeling extra spirited now for our special edition pumpkin spice holiday Chex Mix because a winter storm watch was just issued. It's a pumpkin spice sky tonight for the making of our pumpkin spice Chex Mix.
Hi, Pippi. Hello.
Bakey, love you, Angel. Got our pumpkin lights on. More pumpkin lights there. Here's what happens. What amounts to is 6 heaping pans of warm Chex Mix now. We can see our Cinnamon Toast Crunch new edition. Also, our Life cereal was a new addition. And now we are getting ready to add the sugar.
1/8 of a cup of sugar, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of
Pumpkin pie spice.
I mean, it's a mix of like 3 or 4 different things, and we'll put that in.
On each pan.
Yes.
When it's all cool and being added to the Ziploc bags, we're gonna also add, what I wanted to do was add a full bag of cinnamon chips. However, I only had half a bag on hand and couldn't find any more in the store. So what I did have here are caramel chips, the big ones, butterscotch chips, and then the darkest ones are the cinnamon chips. And so that combo will be put in each bag as well, and that totals out to about 2 cups, split between, it'll be 6 gallon size bags. Show us a heaping quarter cup just so we are all clear. Heaping. This is all going to go into a bag, so
It will all be mixed differently.
it should be combined eventually. Any comments on this finished product here?
Well, these are going to go like hotcakes.
Sweet and savory fall blend. It's fun to get creative with the labeling, you know. But we have 7 gallon size freezer bags full of this stuff, all very carefully packaged so we didn't damage anything. As you can see, we got the chips in there. That was the last thing added, and we didn't do a ton on the chip additions, but I think it'll be a fun little surprise when somebody grabs one and they got like a oh, is that a cinnamon chip? Is that a butterscotch? What?
Or is it a
caramel chip?
No.
Is it yummy in your
Tummy.
What do you think? What do you think about this now? We got an extra bag. We were expecting 6 bags.
ended up with the flavored cereal, adding a little extra bulk. And
Right. Oh.
other than that, everything should have been about the same.
Everyone, we are under a winter storm warning. It is snowing, and we are expected to get 3 to 6 inches. I don't know if Belle's going to have her first ever snow day tomorrow, but I think it's pretty likely. I'm so excited. What are you guys doing?
We're playing with these Polly Pockets.
Mommy's old Polly Pockets. This is the situation this morning. First ever snow day. First ever snow day for this one, I should say. Our first time being in school and getting out of school for a snowy day. You'll see your friends tomorrow, though, I'm sure. Tomorrow's your Thanksgiving party. Some Christmas tunes going here in the bar room. The Polly Pocket playing continues. Got an apple crisp in the oven. Snow day vibes! Snow day vibes! I loved a snow day so much when I was a kid, and I'm just reliving that right now. Hi, sweetie. Oh, yawns. Betty, because I'm on a camera.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so dinner tonight, I did that hobo crock pot meal, which is like a meatloaf and the sliced up potatoes with cheese in the crock pot. Also made a little green bean casserole on the side because that's just so easy and I'm already ready for it pre-Thanksgiving. So that's dinner tonight. I'm pretty proud. I feel this is a day where I happen to have been doing the most. You know, I made the snowman pancakes earlier, did an apple crisp really early today, got my video up, got my other video edited, we had a snowball fight. It's been a good day. Not every day works out that way, but today got a lot done. Are you wearing Daddy's shoes? I don't know if I've shown this yet to the vlog, but this is the step 2, my first gingerbread house. It is so cute. Usually when the door opens and closes, like this is censored by any sort of movement. But look, you can like set it up and decorate it with these little things. There's 12 different candy type pieces, the candy canes. There's a little gingerbread girl in there, gingerbread man. Depending on what side you flip it to. It's just so cute. And then the top does lift off so you can store parts inside. But it goes through some different Christmas tunes. They really like it. Biddy especially. I think it's really well suited to her age. They love their Chex Mix too. But today, later today, we are going to see Peppa Pig on stage. Woo-woo! Biddy, did you gather up all your Peppa Pig characters? Outfit, her boots.
I bet she's gonna
Who do you have, Biddy?
Kind of like
Peppa.
Who else?
Tuesday.
And who else? Candy Cat? Peppa Pig Live is happening in Paducah
small road
at
trip.
the Carson Center. We've been to the Carson Center when we saw Bring It On Live. That was when I was pregnant with Nookie.
Oh my gosh, that's right.
I have Susie.
Aw, are you so pumped? Aunt Candy Cat. I would like to comment on this fresh, like light pink nude lip that I'm wearing today because I feel like I haven't worn this shade a lot. I'm wearing one of these CoverGirl lipsticks. I got a whole big bunch of CoverGirl new lipsticks that I'm trying to work through and get a feel for. And this is called Honeyed Bloom, and it is the cream formula. And so that's where the bulk of my color's coming from. And then I've got the Glow Gloss in Lilac Geode. Came from that Becca duo that I kind of thought was funny how they called it lilac because nothing was lilac in it. A lot of different glosses could do what this does, but the main color is coming from the lipstick, and I kind of love that.
We also appreciate the year-round operating support of our Carson Center members, as well as the Kentucky Arts Council, your state arts agency.
Come on, let's go. Surprise! One, two, three, blow! Whoa, it's working!
What'd you think so far?
It was fun. It was very interactive.
What's your favorite character?
Daddy Pig, obviously.
I think I like Peppa.
I liked it when the red monkey came out.
Oh, yeah.
Go get her, Biddy. Go get her. They got these things at Peppa Pig. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
It's Sunday evening.
It is. I thought we were posing for a picture there.
We're freshly showered.
Yes, finally.
We're going to take turns telling you what we did today. Number one, I went to Walmart.
I assembled a bed for Belle. That was quite the project.
A twin bed, day bed type
Twin
situation.
Bed, day bed, trundle bed.
I watched the kids while you did that, and then I edited a video, part of a video during nap time. You disassembled and reassembled a crib.
Yeah, that was after nap time.
Yeah.
During nap time, I
Leaning on each other's heads.
we're tired. I may have done a couple of things during.
You pulled things up from the basement for
Oh,
Christmas
that's right.
decorations.
Yeah, that's what I did. I've done like more than 4 times my normal daily goal for going up steps.
We're like 95% decorated for Christmas right now. We put what might normally be a full day's work of decorating into like 3-4 hours, I think. I made taco soup in the crock pot.
Yeah.
You bathed
Bathed both kids.
while I finished up decorating the big tree. We're freaking exhausted.
It's supposed to be the weekend. We're supposed to be relaxing.
I know. There wasn't even time to vlog this stuff. Like it was just all happening boom, boom, boom. So I think the next vlog we'll have to include some of, how the decorations panned out. Bubba's going to unbox my Bath and Body Works order. There may still be opportunities for that too. But we're completely bushed.
We are. It was a day. It was a day.
Love you, Bub.
Love you too.
We'll talk to you guys later. Whoa, what was that? Was that your stomach or was that your...
It was like stomach rumble that turned into a burp. Or it all just bubbled its way up.
Love you.
Bye. Love you.
Bye.